I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the VM already powered and logged in. This matters because full screen requires an active guest. Once done, verify Vmware tools is installed inside the guest. This provides drivers and auto-resize support. Next, focus on the Vmware application window itself. You will access view and full screen. Make sure the VM is not suspended and that no modal dialogues are blocking input. Otherwise, the full screen command won't apply. You now execute the full screen command. Choose View then Full Screen or press Ctrl plus Alt plus Enter to toggle immediately. Why this matters? Vmware's full screen maps the host display to the guest only when tools and autofit are active. Once toggled, make sure the guest display preferences are set to autofit or a matching resolution, otherwise black bars or scaling artifacts appear. If you need multiple monitors, use the full screen menu to assign monitors before toggling. You finish by confirming the guest fits the screen. Exit full screen with Ctrl plus Alt plus Enter when done. If the guest resolution is incorrect, reinstall or update Vmware tools inside the guest and reboot. This fixes drivers and auto-resize problems. Once done, use View right arrow fit guest now to force a resize. A key troubleshooting tip: if input seems trapped, press Ctrl plus Alt to release the cursor, then retry the hotkey. This clears input focus issues and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.